Hi there. It's been a cloudy and, in places, damp day in the west, but brighter skies have prevailed in the east. In the east, however, an area of cloud will work its way in from the west through the evening. Some outbreaks of rain, but most of the rain petering out, just a few light showers remaining for southern parts of England, one or two elsewhere. However, increasingly through the night, the cloud will break up. The breeze will pick up as well, so despite some clear spells, it's a mild night, the air being stirred up by that breeze. 16 Celsius by dawn in the southeast. Generally teens elsewhere, perhaps a little lower in some sheltered spots. Nevertheless, a bright start as this weather front clears away to the east, but an area of low pressure is edging closer, and this is a relatively deep area of low pressure for the time of year, so some unseasonably strong winds developing during Friday. And that means that it's a blustery start to the day, even if there is plenty of sunshine around first thing. The cloud will build by the late morning and some showers will start to develop, one or two for parts of Wales into western and northern England. But the most frequent and heaviest downpours will be across Scotland and Northern Ireland, and that's where the strongest winds will be as well, peaking around gale force for exposed coasts of the Western Isles. That'll make it feel cool, but still the potential for high teens, low 20s elsewhere, especially given a bit of shelter from the wind and given a few bright spells. 24 Celsius possible there for London. And in the south and southeast, it is mostly dry and bright during Friday, although it will be blustery. And then heading into the evening, well, for many, clear spells develop, particularly towards the south and the east. But for western Scotland, an area of more persistent rain moves in from the west, heavy at times. And again, we've got that strong wind. So a breezy night for many, and again, that means it's a relatively mild start to the weekend. A bright start for much of England and Wales, perhaps eastern Scotland as well, cloudier further northwest, and further showers to come on Saturday. Showers will develop fairly widely, I think. You can see them across Wales, the Midlands into northern England, the odd one further south as well. It will also be blustery, that wind bouncing off the hills of North Wales and northern England, but the strongest winds once again reserved for Scotland and Northern Ireland, particularly around exposed coasts, and exposed parts of the northwest will see gusts of 50 miles an hour or so. That wind pushing frequent showers in again, and so disappointing day, I think, if you're after some summery weather across Scotland and Northern Ireland with those frequent showers, the strong wind, and it will feel on the cool side. Towards the southeast, though, away from many of the showers, out of the strongest wind, pleasant enough, 22 or 23 Celsius. Heading into Saturday night then, and further showers will develop, but mostly towards the northwest. Sunday also sees a few showers, but the wind will be a little lighter, the showers less frequent.